My name's Keegan. I've been in the IT industry since 1986. I've worked at more than 60 different organisations around the country and the world. In that time, I've learned a few things, and one of the most crucial that I've learned is about understanding how to put things together, and the essence of that is a service catalogue, and starting with a single entry. The purpose of this is to show you a simple way of creating a service catalogue. In a minute, I expect that you should be able to create your very first service catalogue entry that can be reused over and over again. And I will show you this in 5 slides. And we'll put this into perspective on how this can be used by you, your department, and your organisation. I have got a few other tricks up my sleeve that I thought I'd show you as well. So I'll introduce you to a number of other tools that I use. And this will show you how you can do your job better and even improve your personal lives. 17 slides that are just truly valuable to you, your work, and your family. These will include project management, RACI, product analysis, work analysis, process flow diagrams, the life cycle of everything. Now that's worthwhile. The work wheel. Where does my time go? And on the other side, we have 2016 IT trends. Are you involved with those? 20 powerful words. These are words that you should be using every day in your writings, your communications. A boss versus a leader. What's the difference? And which one are you? What do you look for in a leader? Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Yes, my wife is a teacher, so I've had to learn about those as well. The 4 basic human needs. How to keep employees engaged. And your purpose in life. Now down the bottom, you'll see that you've got a link to my LinkedIn and my Facebook. You are welcome to join up to that. Again, this is a bit of a busy slide, but the 4 basic human needs for engagement by Randy Connolly. Look him up, website top right. This is all about how to keep your staff involved. Be the leader. How do you keep your staff involved? How do you keep them focused? How to make them more productive by giving them skills, producing better work, being the leader, giving them a sense of worth, making them feel competent and challenged as well. So that's what this is about. Take note of all of this. Are you doing this for your staff? Are you being the leader? What makes an employee highly engaged? There's a whole list here. Someone has talked about their progress. Someone encourages their development. They've been praised recently. They have opportunities to learn and grow. They have a best friend at work. Their manager cares about them. They view their job as important to the company. Their opinions count at work. Their colleagues are committed to quality work. They are able to do their very best every day. They have equipment needed to do their job. They know what is expected of them. Are you helping your staff with this? Is any of this relevant to you? Are you engaged? What can you do about it? Should you be talking to someone as well? Hierarchy of needs. Now, my wife's a teacher, a qualified teacher, and I've heard about this for the last 20 odd years. Never really got into it myself, but then I realised I'm using it all myself at work anyway. So I came across this slide and thought this is brilliant. And it's how it is applied to employee engagement. highly engaged, engaged, almost engaged, not engaged, disengaged. And it's all about understanding the importance and the motivators behind that. What can I do for others? Do I inspire others to do their best? I love working here and I'm a high flyer. That's the highly engaged people. So have a read through this and try and figure out where are you, where are your staff, and how can you help your staff to be better? How can you help your staff up the pyramid? Leadership. 10 things to look for in a leader. High standards of personal ethics, big people without pettiness, guts under pressure, resilience in defeat, brilliant brains, not safe plodders, a capacity for hard work and midnight oil, charisma, charm and persuasiveness, a streak of unorthodoxy, creative innovators, the courage to make tough decisions, inspiring enthusiasts with trust and gusto, a sense of humour. This guy David Ogilvy, you would have seen him on a previous slide, very good stuff. My question here is, how many of these are you able to tick off? Now that they are in front of you, how many do you think you could work on? Are you the leader that you need to be? Are you the leader that the organisation needs? You can be. Asked about the difference between a boss versus a leader. There's definitely differences. And this slide is a good representation. A boss drives their employees, depends on authority, inspires fear, and talks about themselves, says I all the time, places blame for any of the breakdowns, knows how it's done, uses people, takes credits, and commands, and says go. Whereas a leader coaches the employees, depends on goodwill, generates enthusiasm, says we, fixes the breakdown, shows how it's done, develops people, gives credit, asks questions, and says let's go. I want to go back to the fixes the breakdown. A leader isn't a weak person. That fixing the breakdown might take in a lot of the boss's side of things, but it's only one component here. It's not the main component as on the left-hand side. Going through this with me, I hope that I have provided you with some great tools and ideas on how to achieve your desired results much better, to give you some facilities to do that. We've covered a lot of different personal and professional strategies here, given you an easy service catalogue entries build process, which should put some things into perspective for you, along with their use by you and within the organisation. You've created your first service book entry. You've analysed your time. You are now in a position to adjust your lifestyle. Outstanding tasks. No, you're not getting away from this scot-free, I'm afraid. I want you to go back and use the current service book entry that you've created today. Actually go and use it. Put it out amongst your peers and use it. Get some practice. Tweak it, change it, make it better. I want you to book in 5 minutes a day to create a new entry, another entry every day. Just keep creating them, keep putting them out there, keep refining them. Publish these entries. Give our clients some understanding of what you do and manage your clients' expectations. My details are down there. I've got a LinkedIn account, a Facebook account, and there's an About Me as well. And down the bottom of the page, there should be some links as well to each of these. So hook on over. I'm always adding more stuff, and hope to be of benefit to you now and in the future. All the best.